back to another video, guys. I have to film on my GoPro because I don't know where my big camera battery charger is. Dude, the animals are going crazy. So today I am making a little deck in the very back of the boat. That's where my battery and my live well is gonna go. I made a custom live well. It's a cooler and there's this little air system inside of it that connects to the battery. On this deck, and then I will do a full review on my new boat. The deck all framed and stuff. It's time to carpet it. Okay, now we got the carpet all cut out. Now it's time to staple it. We got it all done. I got it all set up. I'll show you guys. The battery, the live well, and that's what the deck's looking like. Super easy. Wasn't expecting it to be this easy. See, it's a couple days later. I'm still recording on the GoPro because I still haven't managed to get a new camera for a new battery for my big camera. But it's still good enough quality, so I don't really care. Earlier in the video of me creating that back deck, now I'm going to show you my whole boat and do a full brief review, or I'm just going to show you my boat. In the mountains today. Definitely got my truck a little dirty, but here it is. 14-foot Valco. I even got the Valco stickers all on it. Thought that'd be a cool little deal. This is what the back deck was looking like right now. Took the cover off. It's got a deck on it. The deck's a couple years old. The previous owner built it, and as you can see, there's a little bit of warping going on. The removable deck right here, battery, anchor. I don't even know if I'm going to use this, but it came with the boat, so. Live well, got the little live well system in here, drill a hole right there, runs up to the battery. Pretty cool. And then it's painted all black. It's going to get hot in the sun, but this little string is so I can open this compartment from the side. And that's where I put all my tackle. And then on this side, I put this stuff in it. Eventually we'll have more stuff. Lawrence fish finder. Nothing special, it's just the hook too. Then we got the 45-pound thrust Minn Kota Edge trolling motor. This boat didn't come with this trolling motor. I had to buy it separately. And yeah, all in all, redid the whole trailer. Looks pretty good, I think. This is how I rigged up the transducer. We used silicone, so I haven't tested it yet, but we put a lot of silicone on there, and we're hoping, I'm about 99% sure that no water is going to get in. We rigged it up with some zip ties. I'm pretty sure this is for wheels that are supposed to go on here. Not really sure. Oh yeah, we just zip tied it all the way up, and then it runs all the way back up to the unit. Before we had a very broken jack, so I bought a new one and put that on there. Also, this thing was all rusted out. Bought a new one. Just sanded this down, and it looks decent. It's starting to rust again. So that's pretty much all I have to show you guys for my boat. As you can see in my last video, I posted how Washington State closed down all recreational fishing. Kind of sucks. I don't. Bunch of people are complaining about it. There's been a couple other states that have reversed there being no recreational fishing because of people complaining. So I'm hoping that this happens in this state. And yeah.